What's up? What's up? What's up, y'all? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Today, I'm eating spaghetti and meatballs and pizza. And I got this from a place down the street. I don't know the name. I'm sorry. I don't know the name of it, y'all. I got it from down the street. Spaghetti meatballs, some beef meatballs, and I got some Chardonnay. Some Chardonnay, and I'm feeling a little fancy. So let's go ahead and get it started. Let's go ahead and do my thumbnail. You know, how we gonna do a thumbnail. Oh, I gotta be careful. Let's do this. Alright, that's good enough. Listen, y'all. I know I always say this. Always, literally. My intro always say that I'm hungry. But I'm really hungry. I ain't really eat a lot today. I just haven't ate a lot. Let's try this spaghetti, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and add some peppers in there. I don't really eat spaghetti unless it has red peppers and hot sauce. I love hot sauce. I love me some red peppers. You can't go wrong with red peppers and hot sauce in your spaghetti. Let's see how this goes. It's hot. It's really hot because anything good right now. I'm just hungry. Try the meatball. Right. This is for my pizza. I love ranch in my pizza. How about y'all? What is some stuff you add on your pizza? I like ranch, red peppers. If I can't find red peppers, then black pepper will do. Salute. Chardonnay. I'm a Chardonnay kind of guy, y'all. When I first started drinking wine, I used to be into Riesling, but I'm not really into sweet wines. I think sweet wine are for beginners. Women and beginners. If you're like a pro, you want some of that strong. You want some of that strongest strong. You want some of that good old strong. But Riesling is still good though. It's still good. If you're a Riesling drinker out there, that's a Riesling, y'all. If you got a place called Total Wine in your area, go to Total Wine and ask for this Riesling called it's called Eroica. I think you spell it Eroica, something like that. Listen, thank me later. It's bomb. It's bomb. It's bomb. I'm telling you, it's bomb. They have it at P.F. Chang's, but P.F. Chang's, they don't sell it by the glass. They only sell it by the bottle. So I think the way I found out one day, because I refused to buy a whole bottle at a restaurant, I only want one glass. I think the way I found out was the guy, I think he the bartender, he had an open bottle. I don't know how he had an open bottle. Maybe it was a mistake or something. I don't know. But he let me try it. He let me have a glass. And, the meatball is not bad, y'all. It ain't that bad. But he let me try it out, y'all. And it had this real, like a fruity taste to it. I can't really explain. It had this real good fruity taste to it, and it lives up to the name. It's called Eroica. It's good, y'all. So, and it's more of the, Riesling is not that expensive, but this is more of an expensive bottle. It's like, not expensive, but it's like $18, $19. But in my opinion, that's expensive because you can buy a Riesling for like $6, $10, So when you get into the $20 range of a Riesling, that's a good Riesling, in my opinion. That's a banging Riesling. I feel so much better, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. When I first hit record, I felt like I just felt like I wasn't gonna make this video. I just felt like you guys, like, wait. I just felt as if, oh wow, it was impossible. Why? Because I was hungry. I said I ain't gonna be able to be right on camera. That's another thing y'all gotta understand, y'all. This is a full-time job, you guys, and you got to make sure that you're able to do it even when you're not on your best, you're not feeling your best. Because if you wake up every day and you don't feel like, I mean, I think all of us every day don't want to work. I mean, who wants to work? I mean, of course we love what we do, but it's still work. So like nobody wakes up like, oh my god, I'm going to work. I can't believe I'm going to work today. Oh my god. No, come on, son. No. But anybody that has a job that they're their own boss, you have to be on your own butt, because you're your own boss and you don't have someone pushing you. So if you're listening out there, if you're listening right now and you're afraid to go in your own lane, your own business because of that, just know that you have to be consistent and you have to be strong. And just like you work a 9 to 5, or just like you work somewhere else and you have to go to work because you don't want to hear your boss complain, or or you get fired, it's the same thing with this or any other business you have that's your business. If you don't put your all into it, you'll get fired. It's the same thing. You might not fire yourself, but the people will. The consumers will. The consumers will fire you. They're gonna say, dang, Jay, you just putting out anything. You just saying you ain't even talking to us no more. You just eating. Or whatever, whatever that may be. Whatever, lacking I may have in that video. If you have your own business where you sell merch or you sell some kind of product, whatever, and you don't put your all into it, people ain't gonna buy. They're not gonna wanna, buy into your product because they just can tell that it's just not, they can't trust it, or they can't, get into this because you're not putting your all into it. Bottom line is, put your all into your product. You heard? That wasn't that bad, And I'm not a big fan of like to-go spaghetti or somebody else's mama's spaghetti. But that wasn't that bad. But y'all, as always, do me a big favor. Subscribe to my channel. Keep on liking the video. I appreciate y'all love. Y'all been showing me so much support and love. I can't thank y'all enough. I really can't. I wish I could just reach through the phone and just hug y'all, because y'all are everything. For real. I'll holler at y'all later on, alright? Peace out. Adios.